Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's activity. This activity will be based on the notes on lines. So, having gone through the list or the notes, sorry, this is the assignment you are supposed to do. That should go with the line. So now we know there are different kinds of lines: zigzag, straight lines, spiral lines, and so on and so forth. So your activity, which you must do in your drawing books, Mr. Ajirapo did explain to you the type of drawing book you should get. He explained that it is the A3 size drawing book. And by now, we hoped a lot of you would have gotten the A3 size book. So those who do not have it, please make sure you go get it. And then you let us have it. As well, you should have gotten some of the materials. By now, you should have your color pencils, your felt pens, and so on, and so forth. For today, or for this activity, we're going to use different kinds of lines to do an abstract art or an abstract painting. So this is what you must do. In your A3 drawing book, make a border in the drawing book, a border of about 2 or 1 centimeters or 1 millimeters across the page. So if this is your page, I said make a border 1 centimeter across the. So from here to here 1 centimeter, then you draw a line. Here to here 1 centimeter, here to here 1 centimeter. Then it becomes a border. You join it, then it becomes your border. And on top of that border, make sure you write your name. You write today's date. I want a date for today. Today's date is on the 7th. So I want everybody to write a date 7th of April 2021. So you write your name, today's date, and the title of the assignment, Lines for Abstract Art. Lines for Abstract Art. So you write them on top there, where I said you should make a border. Okay. Now, then the assignment itself or the activity itself. So in your drawing book, you are supposed to divide your drawing book into different shapes, if I should use that word, or you divide it into different spaces. It can be a square at one side. So for example, okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to send you an image of a sample of how I want you to divide your drawing book. So this is an example. I would take a picture of this and add it to the page so that you can see it much better. So you divide the drawing book on that page into these different shapes. So you can see there is a circle here, and then there are different divisions on that page. Is that okay? So I'll take a picture of this and add it so that you can as well have a look at it when you divide it. Then, if you divide it into the different sections, then where you are supposed to do the work is use different kinds of lines: zigzag, spiral lines, wavy lines, and so on and so forth. So you just need to Google different kinds of lines. And then you use different kinds of lines to fill in the spaces. You use different kinds of lines to fill in the different spaces. Now, those different kinds of lines, you should draw them with different colored pencils or colored crayons or colored felt pens and so on and so forth. So I'm taking it again. In your drawing book, make a division of what I've shown you. Show it again, this. Then it can also look like this. Then use different color pencils to make or to fill in the space with different types or kinds of lines. I'll show you an example of what's done. So this is an example. I hope you see it clearly. So you can see. So these are different colors of lines that you fill. Please, I want the drawing, the line should fill the whole page, not a small space. No, it must fill the whole page, just like this one. So that is one example. Let me show you another example. Another example is this. As you can see, the lines are not too much spaced. So it makes your work much interesting. You get it? If the lines are too much spaced, so you can see these lines, they are not too much spaced. You can see these lines here. They are close to each other. Then it makes your work quite an interesting one. You must be creative about it. You use different colors, different kinds of lines at different spaces. Don't follow exactly what it is. Just be creative about it. Put the lines at different places. Use different kinds of lines. Use different color pencils or felt pens or anything that can give you great colors. And then we'll see how it comes up. That will be your first assignment. And then when you finish that assignment, you take a picture of it and send it to me. Take a picture of it and then send it back to me. Now, I know students can be smart. I don't doubt, I don't blame you for being smart. So don't think you can go for somebody's work to submit who I'll get to know. So please don't try it. And when we get you, it's a misconduct, and then it's punishable by suspension. So please just try your hands on it, do it yourself, and then you submit it, and then we'll see how it goes. This assignment will take you 1 week, and therefore next week, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday. Yeah, I'll take it on next week, Wednesday. Probably I'll extend the time to Friday. Yeah, on Friday, I'll take it, or I'll open up submission from Wednesday to Friday. Then the following week, we'll give another assignment based on the notes that we've done. By now, you should also have been working on your crafts, as Mr. Adrako did explain. So get that one to ready. Without much to say, we wish you all the best and take care of yourselves.